guys, welcome to today's video. I felt like I haven't done a DIY in such a long time, so I thought why not do a DIY today. The mask I'm going to show you today is actually one of my go-to masks, especially in the summertime. It just takes out all the impurities and you can use it as often as you want. If you have acne prone skin, this mask will help you all throughout the summer. It's just such a great mask and I thought why not share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with this mask. There are two main ingredients of this mask, and the first one is this charcoal powder. I bought mine on Amazon and I'll try to link this down below for you guys. So I'm going to take about 1 spoon of charcoal powder, and then I'm going to take the same amount of Multani Mitti, which is also called Fullersearth, and I'm going to mix it all together. The only thing with this mask is it is very messy, so you want to make sure you wear dark clothing. It will stain everything it touches, so you want to make sure that you are very protected of wherever you are. So you want to keep adding water to it until you get a nice consistency. I love this mask, especially in the summertime. You want to apply a nice thick layer of it and you want to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes like we always do. What I like about this mask is you can mix the dry ingredients together and you can just leave it in the bathroom. And then when you're ready to use it, just use a little bit of water and mix it together. And you actually don't have to leave it for 20 minutes if you're using it every other day. So basically what it does, it takes out all the impurities and brings it to your skin. And when you wash it off, it just takes it off with the water. Which is great. The Multani Mitti or the Fullersearth also does the same thing. It takes out all the excess oil that your skin has. It also helps you even out your skin tone and brightens your complexion at the same time. And I'm going to bring this down all the way to my neck. We're going to leave this mask on for about 20 minutes, and once it dries up, we're going to go ahead and wash it with warm water. And we're going to use circular motion, so we're going to exfoliate any dead skin we might have. And as you can see, I've washed my face off, and honestly, this is such a good mask. I don't know if you can remember, I had some redness right around here, and it's just taken it down. And it just feels so clean, like my face feels really clean right now. The other important part of this mask is you have to moisturize. And for my face cream today, I'm going to use this Super Aqua Waterful Cream. I've used this cream so many times before, and I've talked about this over and over. This moisturizes your skin. At the same time, it doesn't make it feel very tacky or very heavy on the skin, so it's just perfect for summer. So I'm going to take about this much and I'm going to warm it up, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do like this mask and if you do try it at home, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this mask. And before I go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new videos. And I will see you next time. Ciao.